Good afternoon. It is July the 29th, 2016, and it's the end of the week and end of the month, the trading month. We came into today's market in the E-mini with an upward bias, so we like the long side because of end of the week, end of the month dynamics. Our buy was 55 to 58. The low is 57.50 right here. So they caught the top end of our band. There was a good short trade here. We talked through this one here. I scratched it because I was premature in that. This S did work out, so you had one short trade that worked out well. The rest of the trades just plain old monkey trading with the right side of the market. Made you some really good money. Counter trend trade right here. Made you some money. Retest failure trade right here. This buy or that B, one of the others would have put you back in on the long side. And looks like we're going to go out at 68, 67. I was thinking that we might get new contract highs today, and that's still a possibility. We've got 45 minutes of trading left. But anyway, the idea, long, the level, 55 to 58. The trade setup without a resting limit buy at 58 was a monkey trade. And if you had the wherewithal, you got in that trade, you're entered in the 2160 area. We did trade up to 72. There were 10 points plus. So again, idea, level, deceleration, and well, Charles, I don't have a square or diamond on that bar. You don't, but you can see how much thinner or skinnier it is than the bars that came before it. So nobody's really interested in selling it right here. And that's the efficacy of these charts. They really kind of keep you on top of it. Make it easy. Look, see, and know, like heads-up displays in aircraft where you don't have to do numeric interpretation. The F1 screen is probably going to show us a trading range. A little bit higher low, a little bit higher high, still in this trading range right here. So let's just find a place to buy it. F2, definitely a P with volume over time. Find a place to buy it. The news on Monday, I hadn't even looked that up yet, but Monday's not usually a big news day. So assuming we close it in the 67.68, we're going to be looking to buy the 64, 66 area in London, and then 60 to 62. So we're looking to buy the 60, 65 area to test resistance at 70 to 72. The sell failure to take out 72.50. Then I guess 74 to 79. This market is going higher. Not based on fundamentals. Things are bad economically, and it doesn't take a rocket surgeon to figure that out. Just go around town and look at all the empty real estate. I mean, it's everywhere. These are not prosperous times. Hopefully we don't go into a recession. The gist of that article that I put up was if we do go into a recession, we will be looking at negative interest rates. And there's just been a lot of pain and suffering, and I just really don't want us to see us go through that. Outside day on treasuries, on the 10-year note, trade it. Well, we still keep making new highs right here. So my guess is the bond and note players, fixed income players, are trading this off of a weak economy. So we got a very strong close. We've got the attractor up there at 5, so 4 to 8. So sell failure to take out 4 to 8. We would expect consolidation, so when we come in on Monday, we're probably going to be selling failure to take out and hold the London high. Then we'd make 11 to 15, sell 2. On the buy side, the breakout, and there are a lot of them right here. Last rotate down was 25. We extend the range at 133 even, so 29 to 01 is buy 1. And then 25 to 21 is buy 2. I hope these new colors are working out for you, because at my end, not broadcasting, not transmitting, they kind of wash out a little bit. But the feedback I got is that much better than writing with black. Looking at the bond, another very strong market in the bond. Stronger than in the 10-year because of that extra volatility. I mean, this market is moving. So the low volume numbers up there at 75.07. The attractors at 74.26 to 29 on the assumption that we can hold 16. So right now, 16 to 20 is R1, might be 20 to 24. First sell is 27 to 31, leaning again, counting on some profit taking at 175, and 7 to 11 for sell 2. On the buy side, it's like 4 to 8 is probably pretty good support for 1. So 29s to 01s buy 1, and then 17 to 21 buy 2. Gold looks strong. I think gold's going for $13.75. New contract highs on this move. Won't be straight up, but they're just, I mean, look at what's going on in Turkey. Outside day, you can trade it. You're going to look at a very, very strong P on the F2 screen with a new move out of the middle. But Turkey has been, there's a coup that has just taken place. This guy has taken over. He is the newest dictator in the Middle East, and people have been killed, and people's lives are being destroyed right now. Okay, this low volume area up here at 66.70 to 64.70, so sell 64s to 66 in London if you get the proper setup, and then 69s to 71s for sell 2. Really don't like the short side of the market. A breakout came from 57, so 55, 57 buy 1, 50, 52 buy 2. You know, it's just like you see everything around you. It's crumbling beneath it. We know what's coming. We just don't know when. And it's not going to. There's going to be some serious washouts on the way. Crude oil, end of the week, end of the month, short covering. Big move down. That'd be a great time to lock in profits. Lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. You can see this 42 area up here, 41.75, 42 is pretty pretty clean break in the market. And when we look at this screen, you can see it right over here at 41.75. So strong right here, 50 to 75, sell one, that's resistance. 42, 42 and a quarter, sell two. On the buy side, 40, 75, 41. Then 40, 40 and a quarter for buy two. And looking at the euro, very, very strong today. Looks like there is a seller above 112. There was this morning, pretty strong close. We've got resistance right here, about 1210. Obviously, we have that spill that came from 1460. It was a huge day down when Mario picked up the mic and turned his mic switch on and started saying things they did not like. So looks like we got pretty good buying below 110 right now, and we're going to find out where the sellers are next week. So 15 to 25 is where resistance is. Probably see that in London. And 50 for sell two. The buy side, the last rotate down stopped at 88.90, then at 80. So we'll make 75 to 85 buy one. And then we had the breakout way down here at 11.50. We'll make buy two. Folks, that's it. End of the month, end of the week. I am looking forward to the rest of the afternoon off, as I'm sure you all are. We'll get after it again bright and early Monday morning. Have a fabulous weekend, and we'll find ways to shake the ATM, the CME's ATM on Monday morning. Y'all have a great weekend. I'm out of here.